Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to my first video. My name is Umay Hani Pracha and this is my sister Anaya Pracha. Today our video is going to be about telling other people Quran and some smooth duas. And she's going to say some other things, and she's going to get lollies and everything as she does. Now we're going to tell her how to read some surahs. Now we're going to tell her. Anaya, do you know surah Inataina, you know that surah? Yes? Okay, we're going to tell her that surah. It doesn't matter if she does any mistakes because she is only 3 years old. Yeah, and I'm 8 years old. So it doesn't matter if she makes mistakes, she's still going to get some lollies. And she's not going to eat them all at once. I'm going to give her one at a time. So whenever she does it, she'll get some. And I say assalamu alaikum to them. You forgot. Say it. Okay. And now first we're going to ask her Surah Kausar. Surah Kausar is in a taina, that's that surah. And let's say Surah Kausar. Okay. So look here. Naya inna taina kalma. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Inna taina kal kausar salli rabbika wanhar inna shaniyaka wal abtar. And now she's going to say surah so I'll just say it because I forgot some names. I'm confused. Yeah, I'm going to tell her surah the Kul Huwallahu Ahad, that surah. So she memorizes all of them. Anaya? Kul a'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay. Kul Huwallahu Ahad. Allahu Samad. Lam yalid walam yulad walam kullahu kufuwan ahad. Now she said that surah, and now she's going to say some duas. I'm going to tell her how to say the sleeping dua before we sleep. Anaya? I'll open this later when you nearly finished, okay? When the video is finished at the end, I'll give her that lolly. And now Anaya, yeah. And now you have to say some dua, sleeping dua, okay? You know sleeping dua? Say it. No, bismillahumma. Look there and say it. She said the first kalima, and she's used to it. Now she says the dua, and then she says the kalima. And now we're going to ask her favorite lesson. She's going to say some alif ba because it's her favorite thing. We're going to get the Quran and tell her some alif ba. Anaya? First alif ba, okay?